Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you been struggling with slow hair growth, thinning or breakage? No matter what you try, well, what if I told you that something as simple as guava leaf can grow your hair long and thick? I will show you how to use this leaf for extremely fast hair growth. So this guava leaf might seem basic, but do not overlook this leaf. They are packed with nutrients that your hair absolutely love. Guava leaf is rich in vitamin B that nourish the scalp and stop hair from falling out. It protects your hair because it contains antioxidants that guide your hair against sun damage and harsh weather. So now that I've plucked out the leaf from the stem, I am going to wash it thoroughly for 3 times because this leaf is actually dirty, and ensure that it is clean before preparing it for our hair. So make sure that your leaf is washed and totally clean. There is different way you can use guava leaf for your hair, and I'm going to show you guys this method, but there are other different methods out there. But if you want to use guava leaf for your hair to grow your hair and thicken up and to take care of your hair, just use this method because this method is the shortest method ever. You will definitely see fast results while using this method. So after I washed my guava leaf, then I transfer it into this bowl, then add in little water, then start to use my hands to squeeze it out so the juice can come out. This method of using hand to squeeze it out is actually long, so I have to transfer it into my woody mortar to pound it. If you do not have woody mortar, you can use your blender. Just add a little water to it, then blend it until it become a paste, until the leaf become a paste. So this is after using my wooden mortar to pound it. You can use your blender to blend it into this paste. So after pounding it, then I use my strainer to strain it out. You can use a wig cap, just anything with tiny hole, so the particle, the leaf cannot pass through. So we don't want any particle on our hair. We just only need the juice. The juice is only what we need. So I strain it out using my strainer, then discard the leaf. We don't need that. Before we continue, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel, then join the family. Also turn on the notification bell so you will be the first person to notified whenever I post a new video. So after straining it out, then I transfer it into this my applicator bottle for easy application. Please watch to the end and I will show you guys what next to do. This is our guava juice for fast hair growth that we are going to be using to grow our hair, double our hair, grow faster, thicken up the hair, no dandruff, no itchiness, no shedding, no breakage, no hair loss. This juice is going to treat all your hair concern. If you are looking for fast hair growth, it will grow your hair, and if you are looking for ways to thicken up your hair to get it fuller and longer, this juice is what you need. And if you are struggling with itchiness and dandruff, this juice will treat your itchy scalp and dandruff. It will straighten up your hair strand that you will not experience breakage or hair fall again. So I'm just going to apply it all over my hair, and I have my mini twist on, so I'm just going to use it to refresh my hair. And there are different ways you can use this guava leaf juice on your hair. You can use it as a result, you can use it as a leave-in treatment. You can also add it in your hair mask if you are making a hair mask. I'm using this juice to refresh my hair and hydrate my hair, so I'm just going to focus on my scalp, but I will still going to apply it every section of my hair. But I will focus on my scalp because that is where hair grow from. And as I spray it on my hair, I'm just going to massage it in for it to get penetrated into my hair strand, because I have protective style on. So if you don't have protective style on, just section your hair as apply this spray generously all over your hair, and make sure that you massage it for it to get penetrated into your hair strand. And massage it too will help blood circulation, which leads to fast hair growth too. So I'm just going to treat my hair with this treatment. Ensure that my hair is saturated and coated. And what still I love about this treatment is that you can use it in different ways. I'm going to rinse it out after applying to my hair. In any ways you want to use it as a leave-in treatment and result treatment, it is still okay, but you are going to see faster results if you use it as a leave-in treatment, which is apply on your hair and leave it in. One thing about this treatment is that you can use it as long as you want. You can use it 2 to 3 times in a week for fast results. Guys, you will love your hair growth while using this tea. It's going to give you a shine and a longer hair as your hair is getting thicker and fuller. Guava leaf will help you to fight dandruff and itchy scalp and help to keep your scalp clean and healthy, and it is going to boost fast hair growth by improving blood flow to your scalp, and it will reduce breakage and add shine to your hair. So when I'm done saturating my hair with this thing, next thing I'm going to do is to cover my hair with a plastic bag, and before rinsing it out, I'm going to carry this at least 2 to 3 hours before I rinse it out. I will just rinse it out with only water, not with shampoo or conditioner, just only water. Then follow up with my leave-in conditioner. If you find this video very helpful and useful, please don't forget to subscribe, join the family and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to notified. And if you also have a friend or family that are experiencing shedding, breakage and hair fall, please share this video for her to see. Also share your thoughts in the comment section and I will come through for you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.